Welcome back, dreamers. It's Tina with Dream Free Art, and today I'm going to show you how I use my Cricut Maker pens to write on gift tags. This was per my sister's request. I purchased these $5 gift tags from Michael's. I did use a coupon on it, and Alex actually helped convince me to pick out the coffee cup ones. To get started, I'm going to put my pen into the A clamp of my Cricut Maker. Then I'm going to gently press down until I hear a click. Then I'm going to close clamp A to secure the pen in place. Now that the pen is prepped, I'm going to quickly select my font choices and then type in the wording that I want on my tags. My words are ready, so I'm going to go up to the top and I'm going to click where it says cut and change it to draw. It changed the font to an outline style, but that's fine with me. Now that my words are ready, I'm going to click make it. And then I'm going to position the words so that it writes exactly where I want it to on the tag on the mat. Next, I'm going to select the type of material that my tag is made out of. My pen is already loaded, so then I'm going to click the flashing load button, wait for the mat to be loaded in, and then click the flashing go button. Since I'm just writing on gift tags, the process actually went by really fast, and the machine is actually not very loud at all. Now that the machine is finished on the back side of the tag, I'm going to click dismiss, I'm going to press the load and unload button again, flip the tag over, and repeat the process on the front of the tag. I had to make some quick adjustments so that I could have the front of the tag say something different. And here is my finished gift tag. Using the pens in your Cricut is not nearly as complicated as it seems, so don't overthink it. So take your time and practice on a couple of pieces of scrap paper before you use your real product anyway. Thank you so much for watching, dreamers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And leave a comment down below if you would like to see more Cricut tutorials. Thanks for watching, dreamers. Until next time, bye.